If you want to use dual WhatsApp on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on Apps, and over here you will find the option of Dual Apps. Just tap on it. Now from this list, just look for the WhatsApp app. Then tap on it, and from here just enable the toggle for Dual Apps. Select Turn On, and after you do that, you will create a clone of the WhatsApp app on your Redmi 15C. Now if you swipe up and open the app drawer, now from here let's search WhatsApp. And as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the WhatsApp app. And as you can see, the cloned version has an icon at the bottom corner to indicate that this is the cloned version of the original app. And as you can see, both of these WhatsApp apps are working. As you can see, if we go to the recent app section, this is the original WhatsApp app and this is the cloned version. Just like that. And this is how you can use dual WhatsApp on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.